The FitDesk 3.0, the FlexiSpot or POOBOO X-Bike, perhaps the EXERPEUTIC 2000i, or the FitRite Exercise Bike Desk. Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 desk bikes available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best desk bikes. The 5th product on this list is the POOBOO X-Bike. These days, many of us spend most of the day sitting down at our desks, which can make it hard to meet our daily fitness goals. Thankfully, if you love cycling and want to ride in the comfort of your home, this is the perfect product for you. It is a versatile, easy-to-use, sturdy stationary bike that allows you to work out at home, in the office, or in your spare time. This piece of equipment is made of thick, high-quality steel and comes with a maximum load of 300 pounds and 8-level adjustable magnetic resistance, which means that you can adjust it to suit your personal needs. Your stand-up desk workout is about to get better. Moreover, the seat cushion on this bike comes with a high-density foam designed to support your back while you're pedaling, making it comfortable during long rides. And since this bike doesn't take up much space while you use it, it's an ideal choice for smaller homes or apartments with no room for storage space in closets or hallways. You will also like that this compact exercise bike is designed for all heights, making it suitable for short or tall people. Furthermore, its transport wheels make it easy to store when not in use, keeping you motivated throughout the workday. You'll love the ergonomic seat design that puts your hips in a good position to make cycling more comfortable as you build strength over time. Whether you want to cycle while reading or working on your computer, this bike will do the job. Its pros are: its heavy-duty frame is designed to offer superb stability, it has attached wheels that make it easy to move around, and it has 8 levels of magnetic resistance that can easily be adjusted with a simple tension knob. However, the included instructions are pretty vague, so you may have to spend some time looking up video tutorials on how to assemble it. The POOBOO X-Bike is an exercise station that is ideal for keeping you fit while working in your home office. Up next in 4th place is the FitRite Exercise Bike Desk. Looking to get fit, lose weight, and stay productive all at once? Check out this 3-in-1 workout desk. Its sleek design and user-friendly features make it stand out from the crowd, including a touchscreen LCD monitor and easy-to-use controls. With a soft leather seat and adjustable post height, this desk provides a high level of comfort, delivering a conference room-like experience. The built-in computer monitor tracks all of your vital stats such as speed, distance, and calories burned, while you work out on your bike, which features a trackable design that lets you move around easily. But that's not all. The desk also features a magnetic resistance system that lets you adjust the workout intensity, providing both ergonomic comfort and practicality in one unit. Even if you're busy, this desk takes up minimal space while still providing a secure and functional place to work out. With its adjustable height, multiple monitor options, and many other features, this exercise bike is sure to become an essential tool for your daily routine. Its pros are: its LCD monitor tracks it all so you can measure your biking performance over time in terms of speed, distance, and calories burned. It takes up little space and comes partially assembled in the box, so setup is as hassle-free as possible. And it has a leather seat that allows you to work and work out comfortably, and a silent gear belt ensures you won't get distracted. However, it has no pedal straps, and the desk cannot be extended. The FitRite Exercise Bike Desk is the perfect workstation for exercise enthusiasts looking to boost their fitness while staying productive. Still haven't found a desk bike that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the EXERPEUTIC EXERWORK 2000i. Do you want to get the most out of your workout? If so, it's time for you to check out this next unit. With Bluetooth Smart Fitness is the ideal opportunity to simplify your fitness routine, conveniently located in your office or home. This exercise bike provides different tension settings, allowing you to increase or decrease intensity based on how hard your muscles are working. It supports an active lifestyle and makes you feel good about working out or relaxing on your couch. What's more, it has a sliding desktop with tilt forward and back adjustability for sitting or standing positions, and an upgraded airsoft seat for added comfort in every position. With 24 workout programs and up to 400 pounds of weight capacity, this desktop is suitable for any fitness level. The secret to this amazing desk bike lies within its patented technology that enables riders to adjust tension levels during any exercise program and keep the results coming even after hours of use. You can track everything from calories burned to heart rate data with the included wireless handheld monitor. What's more, it can even sync wirelessly with any app available in iTunes or Google Play, or through our Bluetooth Smart Cloud Fitness system built into our Smart Cloud Fitness platform on iOS or Android devices. All in all, if you need a way to keep fit while you work, this is a brilliant option. Its pros are its massive resistance range with 24 levels from very easy to exceptionally difficult. It folds, making it more convenient for transport and storage, and the front edge of the desk has a thickly cushioned wrist pad that is a comfortable place to rest your wrists. However, while it is quite adjustable, shorter people may struggle to use it comfortably due to the angle of the backrest. The EXERPEUTIC EXERWORK 2000i is an effective exercise desk bike that can be used even in a small apartment without an issue. This makes it possible for you to track your workout and answer emails all without leaving your home. The second product on this list is the FitDesk Desk Bike 3.0. Looking for a way to burn a few extra calories while you answer emails? Look no further than this desk bike. It's a foldable unit that you can use at home or while working, with a built-in tablet holder, adjustable arm support, and a seat that can be adjusted to your liking. This is perfect for athletes and office workers who want to stay fit and healthy while they work, allowing you to exercise without having to leave your desk. Moreover, the fully adjustable arm support makes it easy to pedal without standing up, while the electric start eliminates the need for batteries or an electric motor. This bike is built to handle up to 300 pounds of weight with its sturdy steel frame and non-slip surface. Plus, it can be easily stored away when not in use, thanks to its compact and foldable design. The tablet holder is also perfect for keeping your device securely in place while you ride. Additionally, this desk bike is specially designed to act as a full workstation. This means you can pedal away while you work, making it the most efficient workout you've ever tried. Moreover, it comes with everything you need to assemble right out of the box, including a pedal, seat, and handlebars. Don't let work keep you from staying healthy and fit. Maintain your fitness and stay productive throughout the day with the FitDesk. Its pros are: it's smooth and quiet because of the twin belt high-velocity flywheel. It has an easy access storage tray, as well as forearm massage rollers. And it has a non-slip surface so that you can work on your laptop without it moving around. However, the performance monitor is a little basic and has no built-in pulse sensors. The FitDesk Desk Bike 3.0 is the perfect way to stay active while you're working from home. You can stop by your desk and get a good workout in without having to worry about lugging equipment with you or getting tangled up in cords. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products in the market. Finally, the top desk bike is the FlexiSpot Deskcise Pro. Do you want to upgrade your work from home setup and get in shape at the same time? Look no further than this desk bike. It's not just any exercise bike. It's the ultimate solution for burning calories, increasing energy, and improving overall health while staying productive at your desk. With an adjustable height and leg support, this desk bike provides maximum comfort as you pedal up to 15 miles per hour and work up a sweat. Its built-in incline helps you increase your heart rate and strengthen your immune system with every workout. Whether you're an office worker, artist, or stay-at-home parent, this indoor cycling desk is the perfect way to stay active, burn calories, and maintain your health and well-being. Plus, its comfortable seat and anti-fatigue pedals make it easy for anyone to use, no matter their height. The adjustable height allows you to customize the seat and pedal position to your exact specifications, while the anti-slip textured finish ensures a smooth, vibration-free ride. But that's not all. This desk bike also features a quiet pedal motion, making it the perfect addition to any work environment. And with its ability to improve posture, reduce back pain, and boost weight loss, it's the ultimate home office solution for anyone looking to take their health and productivity to the next level. So why settle for an ordinary desk chair when you can upgrade to a desk bike and start feeling your best? Its pros are: it makes it effortless to incorporate some exercise into an otherwise sedentary office job. It displays calories burned and distance covered. It's super quiet so you're not disturbed while working, and it has a compact, space-saving design for smaller home office locations. However, it can be a little hard to maneuver over thick pile rugs and carpets. The FlexiSpot Deskcise Pro is the perfect way to stay in shape and even get a little extra training while still being productive during your workday. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.